If a fresh squeezed morning could be bottled, this lineup would be the cork, because today the best electric citrus juicers go head-to-head, and the top spot might surprise. In a zesty way. Inside this video, 5 electric citrus juicers, tested for speed, yield, pulp control, cleanup, and day-to-day ease, so there's no buyer's remorse, only brighter breakfasts. Along the way, there's some nitpicking on the early picks, you know, the little things that matter when juicing daily, and a sweet payoff at the top for those who want power with less mess and more consistency.
5. Eurolux Electric Citrus Juicer. It's a stainless steel forward machine with a soft grip handle and pressure-activated one-touch operation, so it's easy to press down, release, and let the auto on-off do its thing. No fiddly toggles, no guesswork. The motor spec varies by model, but the line features efficient 120W to 160W designs that aim to match higher wattage performance with quieter operation, which is a nice touch for early mornings when the rest of the house is asleep. The integrated filter helps keep seeds out, and the universal cone is convenient for everything from lemons to grapefruits, without swapping reamers mid-batch, which feels, well, blissfully simple on a busy day. In practice, the press-down handle gives satisfying leverage, and the reamer ramps up quickly without wobble, which makes short work of thin-skinned oranges and limes. No chatter, no harsh rattling, just steady torque. Cleanup is straightforward. The removable parts and filter design are built with dishwasher-safe convenience in mind, which truly matters if the juicer becomes a daily driver and not a weekend fantasy. Performance-wise, yield is solid on medium oranges and lemons, and the built-in filtration keeps the juice smoother than handheld squeezers. Less pulp drift, more clean pour into a glass or pitcher. Now, for the bits. Depending on which Eurolux variant is picked up, the wattage and filtration details can be inconsistent across listings, and some models pitch 160W power, while others highlight 120W efficiency, which can make choosing the exact unit slightly confusing. Yeah, it's a brand line thing, but it affects expectations on thick rind grapefruit.
4. Vinci hands-free electric citrus juicer. This one goes for convenience first, with an automated press mechanism and smart pressure-sensitive juicing that prevents rind scraping and the bitter notes that can creep into juice when overpressed. The workflow is simple. Slice, place, press the single button, and it does the rest. No arm strain, no repetitive press motion, and the 12-ounce built-in reservoir with a locking lever is perfect for 2 glasses or a quick batch for recipes. It also comes with 2 interchangeable pulp filters, low and high, so a pulp lover and a pulp hater can peacefully coexist at the breakfast table. Tiny miracle, honestly. In testing, the Vinci feels intentionally engineered for consistency, especially with limes in oranges, where the automated pressure keeps the yield high without tearing the rind, giving cleaner flavor and fewer bitter oils in the finish. Chef's kiss for cocktails. The reservoir makes it easier to pour without drips, and the top rack dishwasher-safe parts keep cleanup quick enough to actually use it daily, not just on weekends. It also accommodates citrus up to about 4 to 4.5 inches, which covers most grapefruits comfortably without weird cutting gymnastics. Nice! But a couple bumps. The automated press mechanism is slower than a strong manual press for single servings, which means if speed is everything and there's only 1 glass to make, it can feel like watching a smart elevator. Smooth, but not fast. Also, the juicer bowl is BPA-free Triton plastic. Durable, yes, but it doesn't have the same forever build feel. 3. Luukmonde Electric Citrus Juicer. The Luukmonde Electric Citrus Juicer is a compact, affordable workhorse with a 1.2-liter jug and dual cones for lemons to grapefruits, paired with a surprisingly quiet but ready motor that avoids shakiness even on larger fruit halves. It's got an indicator light, a guard cover for dust, and dishwasher-safe components. Small, quality-of-life things that make a big difference when the juicer actually lives on the counter.
The brushed finish looks classier than the price suggests, and the stable base keeps it from skating around with firmer fruits. No whoops moments on granite. In real use, the 1.2-liter pitcher is clutch. Juice for a small family without stopping to pour every minute, and the measurement markings make it easy to nail recipes for lemon bars or marinades without dirtying an extra measuring cup. Yes, efficiency! The dual cone setup is simple. Small cone for limes and lemons, larger cone for orange and grapefruit, and it swaps quickly without sticky finger acrobatics. Nights when doing mixed citrus juicing for a brunch spread, cleanup is direct, parts separate logically, and the dishwasher-safe compatibility keeps this from becoming a Sunday-only device. There are some trade-offs. The listed max power around 40 W makes it gentler than heavy-duty models, so extraction on very thick-skinned grapefruits takes an extra second and a firm hand, but the result is still clean and not bitter. Win for flavor first, folks. Also, the polypropylene blade, or reamer, is fine for home use, but heavy daily citrus heads may eventually prefer a metal reamer for longevity. Still, at this price point, the overall package is genuinely compelling.
Number 2, BLACK+DECKER Electric Citrus Juicer, CJ625. In the runner-up spot, the BLACK+DECKER CJ625 is the classic that just keeps winning people over. Auto-reversing dual cones to squeeze every drop, adjustable pulp control with a separate pulp basket, and a 32-ounce clear pitcher that doubles as the container in the pourer. The auto-reverse is more than a buzzword. It actually dislodges pulp clogs and works the membranes both ways for higher yield, especially on older oranges or uneven haps. Small engineering, big impact. The measurement markings are crisp, so recipe juicing is idiot-proof, and cleanup is truly quick because every piece is just washer-safe. Real lifesaver on weekdays. In practice, it's fast. The pressure-activated cones spin up immediately, switching directions for maximum extraction without tearing into the rind. And it handles everything from limes to grapefruits thanks to 2 cone sizes. No annoying one cone fits none situation here. The pulp basket is sneaky useful. Catch the pulp, toss it in muffins or smoothies, or just dump it. Either way, it keeps the juice smooth without babying the filter. It's corded, compact, and light, which makes it practical for small kitchens, dorm setups, or RV counters. Basically, it fits real life. And yep, the all-plastic build won't impress all metal everything purists, but BLACK+DECKER made smart choices where it counts: performance, capacity, and cleanup speed. All the daily drivers that keep a tool out of the cabinet and on the counter.
1. Homeleader Electric Citrus Juicer. At number 1, the Homeleader Electric Citrus Juicer earns the crown by balancing simplicity, power for purpose, and family-friendly capacity, while staying easy to clean and steady under pressure. Exactly the combo that keeps a juicer in the daily routine. It's designed for oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits, with a straightforward press and juice mechanism, adjustable pulp control, and a stainless accented build that looks kitchen-ready without screaming appliance park on the counter. The motor spec slots into the smartly powerful category, enough torque to keep extraction smooth without shouting over morning conversations. Call it civilized juicing. In daily use, the Homeleader nails the essentials. The reamer geometry bites quickly into the fruit, the pulp control keeps both pulp lovers and pulp avoiders happy, and the pour feels clean, with minimal drips. No sticky ring under the pitcher after, which is always the pet peeve with cheaper spouts. It's versatile enough for batch lemonade, grapefruit juice for brunch, and lime runs for taco night. And the parts separate intuitively, so post-juice cleanup doesn't feel like disassembling a spaceship. Pop it apart, rinse, or toss in the washer. What pushes it to the top is the lives on the counter factor. It's not fussy, it doesn't require exact fruit sizing, it doesn't bog down on average grapefruits, and it's easy for the whole household to use without a training session. Slice, press, smile. Final thoughts. So, quick recap with the vibe, check. Eurolux is sleek and simple with a great press handle, but can feel inconsistent across variants. Vinci is the hands-free champ for clean flavor and low effort. Luukmonde is the quiet jug hero that's budget smart. BLACK+DECKER is the everyday extractor with big batch chops, and the Homeleader takes the crown for balanced power, ease, and daily reliability, like the one that actually gets used every morning.